Welcome guys, so here we are. It's been a while, just a little quick update. So I did get some small recent minor mods. So as you can see, the front DRL kit I got, I've always loved amber. So orange is like very OEM plus to me, it's very JDM. So, you know, a lot of people are switching their side markers to clear, but I really love the amber. So I wanted to keep amber, obviously, but everything else around the car was clear. Like the OEM from headlights had the clear, you know, DRLs, and then the back taillights also clear. So I actually got the amber. Well, this is the orange DRL kit from Badgeskins. So shout out to God, what was his name? It was at a local GR86 meet. Glenn. Glenn has a black GR86 and he has like the teal kit on his, and it actually looks like green when DRLs are on, so it looks really cool. And I was like, got my attention. I was like, do they have orange? But once I found they had orange, I was like, okay, you have sparked my interest. Because if I would have went orange, I would have to, I would like to have the amber DRLs, but I would have to send out the Circuit Demon, and you're gonna probably pay at least $1,000 or more to get them to take apart the headlights, put in like, you know, the DRL modules inside so you can have the running DRLs. So this was a much cheaper alternative to get it, you know, the orange amber look, and without, you know, it looking too cheesy. So this kit is actually very high quality, so I'm very happy with it. Installation was pretty simple. It was a dry install, so you have to be very careful. You can't, the directions they sent for this, they don't tell you to like lubricate or anything, so you can't slide it around. So you have to really just be very careful. And then, because when the kit comes, it comes in sections that you can peel off that are like pre-adhesive, so you can have time to line it up and then set it where you want it. But once you lay it down and squeegee it, just, I mean, make sure it's where you want it before you start peeling off. But overall, I was very happy with it. As you can see, you know, the BRZ has this little eyelid piece. If you don't want it, I'm pretty sure you could lay some tape or cut it if you don't want this strip, but I like it. It's cool. It makes it a little different, and I'm pretty happy with it. In addition, I did get the Turn Signal taillight overlays as well from JDMFV wraps, I believe. Yeah, just very great. I mean, it went on just as easy. It's pretty simple. I just pre-sprayed it with soapy water, and I line it up and squeeze it out. So it's just perfect. It just adds, I'm happy with it now, because it was driving me a little nuts with the yellow in the back and orange in the front. So this is why this was a perfect solution. And now I'm pretty content with pretty much the outside. The only thing I may get is like, you know, the color match mirrors from the BRZ. But other than that, yeah. So that's that. Very cheap, like 20 bucks for the taillight. So great material, no complaints. So. But if you got yellow or red, definitely go to KVO for those. But JDMFV wraps if you want an orange kit like this, or the amber kit. But yeah, it's because I had the yellow ones from Kevin Vo, but he didn't offer an orange kit, which is what I wanted to match all around. But now it's orange all around, and I'm very happy. And I have my JDM Plus achieved now. But I will also show that, you know, with the GR86, the DRLs, actually, these are not at full strength. It's actually at full strength when you put it into drive, and they actually get a lot brighter. So right now, they're not as bright, but I will go demonstration to show the brightness as when you put it in the drive, as opposed to turning it on like with your low beams. Because right now, this is the brightness it would be with like low beams on. Actually, I'll turn it on now. So this is with the low beams on, and then the orange kit. All right, so now we're just gonna do, so here's a headlight test. So we're gonna do startup. So this is just starting up the car. And then, so this is just the parking lights on only. So just the parking lights. And then this is the low beam. And then this is the turn signals. Okay, and now if I turn off the headlights, is completely off. I'm gonna put it in drive, and now the DRL should come on. This is the full brightness, so this is like the full power of the DRL, so this is how bright it looks. And then this is when the turn signals, you can see the DRL on the side of the turn signal does dim slightly, and then it goes back to full brightness. Pretty cool feature. But yep, so that's what they look like. But yeah, other than that, I'm very happy with it. I've been loving it. It's holding up great. You know, as soon as I installed it, I just sprayed some ceramic spray on it just to keep protected. And it already has PPF already installed too as well. Also, so shout out to BRZ Bow Dangers. You could check out her channel as well. She has a 23 BRZ. But yeah, huge shout out, thanks to her for getting those for me. So this is laid on top of PPF. Yeah, other than that, it went on smooth, still holding up great. Very happy with it. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys today, and hope you all are doing well. And sorry for the recent Mortal Kombat videos. That game is awesome, and I'm terrible at it, but I just love that game, and hopefully you guys enjoy, if any of you are gamers and enjoy fighting games. Hope you're going to do well, and we'll see you in the next video. Woo-wee! Somebody lied, I got a chopper in the car.